Bonnie Basham, Origami Owl designer number 29552, team leader of the Charming Chicks. I'm here today to properly demonstrate how to use the new Breakaway Lanyard Clasp. The Breakaway Lanyard Clasp comes cutely packaged in this blue O2 design. I will be working today with the Silver Eternity lanyard. The Breakaway Clasp will be attached to the lanyard as such. When the lanyard is worn, if a patient or another person should happen to grab the lanyard, you can simply take both hands, tug tightly at the top of the Breakaway Clasp, and it comes apart. Tug tightly at the Breakaway Clasp and pull apart. Once again, wearing the lanyard. If a patient or another person should happen to grab the lanyard, or if you're working around machinery and the lanyard should be caught in machinery, take both hands at the top of the clasp, tug tightly, and the magnetic clasp will break away. Thank you.